Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. We're back again. If you like a lot of these videos we're posting of these cars, go ahead, like, subscribe, and you'll get every one that we're posting. This one right here that we're going to talk about today is a 1967 Shelby GT500. This GT500 is an early built car, so it's number 0373, so 373. Early build, so we'll kind of go through some of those early features a little bit. But as you can see, it's finished in one of the most desirable colors of Brittany Blue. Beautiful Brittany Blue paint job on this one. This car was recently rotisserie restored, so it is beautiful inside and out. This car has less than probably 100 miles on it since restoration. You can see the beautiful Magstar wheels with the Speedway 350 polyglass Goodyears on it. We talk about those early features. One of them on the earlier cars are the inboard lights, as you can see right there. This car isn't early enough to have the light and the scoop, which we all love. But it does have its flat tail panel and its flat gas cap. And it also has the trim ring around the exhaust. So this is a Tasca Ford car, sold new at Tasca Ford. So you can see the Tasca Ford emblem there, as well as the license plate on this one, the frame. So pretty cool additions on this one. We'll take a stroll around, let you guys see this beautiful Brittany Blue paint job. Like I said, this one was freshly restored. Car light windshield, car light vent window, car light side glass. So you can see that car light glass all the way throughout. There again on the rear window. 67 Shelbys have one of the best looks of all the Shelbys. And the 67 GT500 was the first Ford car to get the dual 4 carbs, which we'll get to here in a little bit. So as you can see, very well restored GT500 for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars. Let's pop the hood, show you guys this 428. So this is the original motor to this car. It's dated about 28 days before. This is an early car. You can see very nicely done under the hood here. This is an NOS air filter element. One of those early features right here. That is the junction block used on the early cars. It does have its dual 4 BK Carburetors. We'll let those run for you here in a little bit. It does have its correct fan blade, as you can see, and it does have its fan clutch with the correct part numbers on it, but it's kind of spun a little bit differently, so you can't see it right now. As you can see, very well detailed under the hood. Here's its original tag. A little worn out over the years, but as you can see, 373, and that is the original tag. Over here you can see that hand stamp number faintly. There's the 373. So let's come around to the interior on this one. As you can see, beautifully restored inside and out. Black Deluxe Interior. See that Shelby steering wheel? This one shows 53,580 miles. That is believed to be original on this one. This does have an automatic transmission. You can see the original Shelby lap belts. The very hard to find Shelby harnesses. Fold down rear seat. All panels are in great condition. This is the Elite Marty report that will come with this car. So if we take a dive at it a little bit, you can see it was sold at Tasca Ford. See that Shelby serial number up there, the Ford serial number. This will also come with its SRG report, courtesy of Brian Stiles and the Shelby Research Group. Original AM radio, gauges. Beautiful restored. So let me hop in this one, we'll fire it up, let you guys hear those dual fours and this engine run. All right, we're in the cockpit at 0373. Take you guys for a little ride along in this one. Not only is the 67 Shelby one of the most stylish Shelbys, in my opinion, but it also has a good deal of power. So this 428 matching numbers engine, obviously you can see it has quite a bit of power. I just punched it to the floor, spun the tires a little bit. Obviously we've got a little bit of moisture on the road, so it made it a little bit easier, but these are some of the best running and driving cars out there. So you are hearing a little bit of rattle from the Marty report in the exterior with this bumpy road, but man, this thing drives and handles great. So like I said, automatic transmission in this one really makes it easy to drive. You know, the older I get, the more I enjoy an automatic transmission. So they do have their time and place. Obviously you can see all the way around, this cockpit is beautiful inside and out, coming fresh off of restoration. So you got red oxide floors on this one. You've got all the oversprays, the Brittany Blue with the blackout from the pinch welds. As you can see, this one's smooth. Runs and drives great, brakes work great, lights and signals, etc. And this one is an attention getter. This Brittany Blue paint, very desirable, but also when you're driving it down the road, it really gets a lot of attention. I think everybody I've passed has been staring this far. So this one will be for sale at Nate's Classic Cars. We're pricing this one very reasonably at $245,000. If you like what you see, reach out to me. I can answer any questions you got about it. See you guys soon.